Hello everybody, this is Vincent Martone here at MarineMax in Clearwater. Today I'm going to be taking you through a 2020 Boston Whaler 250 Outrage. This particular Outrage is equipped with twin 200 Mercuries. As you follow me into the cockpit, you notice the freshwater sprayer. We have dual live wells on this one as well. Transom seating. Twin seats. This one's already equipped with our Ray Marine package already. Beautiful dog box. If you can take a look up underneath the T-top, it is powder coated in Whaler's light blue. Coming along the starboard side, you notice a very spacious head compartment, dedicated storage for the table. I'm just going to pop right up here. This is one of the features that you typically don't see in a 250 Outrage, and that is the bow filler cushion. If you'd like to hear more about this particular Outrage or any of our other inventory that we have here at MarineMax Clearwater, please visit our website, take a look, ask me, call me. It's 536-BOAT. My mobile is 803-760-0609. If you're watching this on YouTube, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that like button. Talk to you soon.